Someone truly said that there is no sincere love than the love of food. And it is also true that a healthy outside starts from the healthy inside. So let's start the day by making yummy egg chops or egg kebabs. These egg chops are a nice option for tea time snacks. You can also serve them for breakfast with bread toast. These egg chops or egg kebabs are favorite among kids as they contain potatoes and eggs and can also be served for birthday parties. So let's note down the ingredients. You will need around 4 to 5 eggs, 6 to 7 potatoes, 1 big size onion chopped, coriander leaves chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies chopped, garlic chopped, curry leaves chopped, 1½ bowl of besan, red chili powder, turmeric, salt, jeera powder, garam masala and chaat masala. Wash the potatoes and put them in a pressure cooker for boiling them. Now switch on the gas and put the pressure cooker for boiling the potatoes. You have to wait for around 2 to 3 whistles for the potatoes to boil properly. Take a pan, fill it with water, put the eggs inside and put it on the gas for boiling. After 3 whistles, your potatoes will be boiled. Now remove the potatoes in a strainer to remove the excess water. Once the potatoes have cooled down, slowly peel all the potatoes. After 10 minutes, your eggs have boiled. You have to make sure they are hard boiled. Remove the excess water and keep the eggs aside to cool down. Once the eggs have cooled down, remove the shell. Keep the eggs aside. Once the potatoes have cooled down, cut them into very small pieces. Now mash these potatoes properly. Heat a pan and put around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, put the chopped green chilies. You can put around 1 to 2 green chilies. Now add the chopped curry leaves in the oil. You can chop around 6 to 7 garlic cloves and put them in oil. After frying the garlic and the green chilies for half a minute, add the chopped onion in the pan. Put around 1/4 or half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Add salt as per your taste. Now mix all the ingredients and fry it. Add half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Now add the mashed potatoes. Mix all the ingredients properly. Now the potato is almost done. Add coriander leaves and mix them well with the potatoes. Now remove the potatoes in a plate to cool down. Now cut the eggs from the middle into 2 parts. You can cut all the eggs into 2 parts. In a bowl, take 1½ cup of besan. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder. Add half teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of jeera or cumin powder. Add some water and make a thick paste. The paste should be of this consistency. Now spread the masala potato on your hand and then take half an egg. Try to cover the egg from all the sides. Your egg kebabs are ready to be fried. Heat some cooking oil. Dip the kebabs in the batter. This is how thick the batter coating should be. Once the oil is hot, put the kebabs in the kadai to fry. Once they are cooked from one side, turn them and cook them from the other side. Fry them till they are golden in color. Drain off the excess oil. Remove the egg kebabs in a plate. These egg chops or kebabs can be served with tomato sauce. After frying all the egg kebabs, cut them from the middle before serving them. Your yummy egg kebabs are ready to be served with tomato sauce or chutney. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and will try to make it for your kids. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll meet you once again with a new recipe. Till then, happy cooking and keep safe at home.